Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to create our own module in Python. So let's see an example of importing a module in Python first. Then we are going to create our own. So for example, we can use import OS and get the current working directory. OS dot get cwd. Yeah, we can just print and run the code. So this is the output. So this is a simple basic example of importing a module. Here we are using OS, and now we are going to create our own. So I will create another file, and I'm gonna save it, and I will save as module demo.py for Python. And this file will have a function. For example, yeah, add numbers. It will just sum two numbers and return the result. I'm just gonna now I can just import in my other file this module. So that will be, and I'm just gonna remove all this, and I will type import and the name of the file we just created, module demo. And with module demo, we can call its function add numbers. I will pass into numbers, and then I'm going to print the result. Let's run our code. I need to fix the error over here. This is why. And we can go back over here and run our code, and we get the result, the addition of two numbers. And if we just want to import the function add numbers, we can do this way. From module demo import add numbers, and I will just remove this module demo and going to call that function. And now we can run our code, and we get the result. So this way you can create your own module which can have functions, and you can import that module in different files. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.